Miss Richards, good evening. Very good afternoon to you today.
Good afternoon.
How are you this afternoon, Miss Richards?
I'm doing fine. I have been taking this product, NuSpecies, and I've been having some pain over a period of time, especially in my back and my leg where it's the arthritis problem. And I've gotten this product, and I tell you, it makes so much a difference in my life for the last couple of months. And I'm feeling excellent today. That's why I can say I'm feeling so good.
Now, Miss
These pains were so terrible. And I've got some good relief. So I'm happy to say I'm fine.
Right. And how long have you been taking the product?
Over about 2-3 months period. I have gotten them from my relatives abroad. She had introduced me to them because I've been complaining over time for the situation, the arthritis, and the joint pains are all over my body. And sometimes I have a finger, it seems to be, and a toe seems to be a fungal problem. And it has helped me a lot as well. With alleviating all of those stuff that was on it. Yes, also my migraine. I used to have a lot of migraine headaches. And the back pain, the migraine, and the thing that is on my finger and my toe, a fungal problem. And I had given it to one of my friends that have diabetes as well, a few of the tablets, because it had contributed to the pain from the arthritis and the sugar. She had sugar problems, and I had given her some of it, and she said it helped her very well.